He says 10. Anyway, so got this from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was. I believe it was under $3 because it happened to be on sale or rollback, whatever the fuck it's called. Anyway, helps to breathe in between, you know, talking instead of just hoping you remember to breathe. Anyway, here we go. Nature Valley lunchbox, chewy granola bars. It's the s'mores flavor. I don't know. Looks like you get 5 bars. I didn't know it was called lunchbox, so I'm probably just gonna put Nature Valley s'mores granola bars or something. I wonder if it's like they're like mini ones that go in like a kid's lunchbox or something. That's why it's called lunchbox. But I suppose we'll find out, won't we? Oh. I could open this head time like a smart person, but no. I feel like they could have fit more in there, but these do kind of look like they would go in a lunchbox. Peanut free. I mean, awesome, but it's s'mores flavored, not peanut flavored. So I don't know why we have to clarify that. I mean, I get it. It's very, I was gonna say, it's a very popular allergy. It's very like common allergy. I don't know why it looks so dinky to me. Maybe it's because I'm just used to like bigger granola bars. That smells so good. It does kind of taste like s'more. It's pretty good. It's at least a 6 or 6.5 out of 10. I love s'mores. I love granola bars. So this is a win for me. But yeah, it's just a quick little review. Pretty good. Get that at Walmart. There you go.